Welcome to our channel Daily Nature's View. Today I will show you the sporulation of black cumin and fenugreek and which is more sensitive to fungal attack. First, we cut bottle into 2 pieces and fill with soil. Then the fenugreek and black cumin seed sprayed in the soil. This experiment occurs without any biocompost or chemical compost. It's occur naturally. Then we wait for few days to sporulate. After few days, the black cumin cannot sporulate successfully due to the fungal attack, and the fenugreek grows successfully. Black cumin are sensitive to fungal.